Now what do you think I have here? What a wonderful day today. Today we're gonna explore Vallée de Mai. And this is amazing. So it's my second day here on Praslin because today is hot and sunny and no clouds. I mean, look at this. We're gonna open up the visiting if you are in Praslin, Vallée de Mai. I couldn't go in right away because it was a high demand and I didn't reserve anything. And I bought a ticket and they told me I have to go back in about 2 hours. So I used the time to ride a little bit to find something to eat and to buy more water or to search for my non-alcoholic strawberry Bavaria beer, which is my favorite drink here on the Seychelles. I was lucky enough to find a Whole Foods here and my favorite non-alcoholic strawberry beer and something to eat. So what am I still waiting? Let's go back. So I didn't believe, but there is a Whole Foods on the island of Praslin. They have a pretty nice coffee, very good coffee actually, and some good snacks. And of course I had to buy some stuff because you don't find too many. I am entering now in Vallée de Mai. It's UNESCO World Heritage Forest. So let's see. I kind of have a feeling that a dinosaur is coming out from this forest.
Welcome in the jungle. I think this is how the world was looking like in the dinosaur times. And still now, the trees are enormous, huge. And of course, you're gonna find the Coco de Mer here. The Coco de Mer, the largest seed on earth. It's like a big coconut, or like two big coconuts together. It has a very erotic form, and it lives about 250 years. It weighs about 20 kilos, which is amazing. So, you don't wanna back home. You don't wanna have one on your head. I have to take care. I am trying to get to the viewpoint, and it's a little bit steep. Maybe this is it. Show some nuts, maybe we'll go there. No?
You want to touch it?
They just wanna play.
Oh, just want to play, and this is a female. The female is much more bigger than the male.
Oh,
And the female, they eat the male.
Look at this leaf over here. Amazing. Now what do you think I have here? It's not a sculpture, even if it looks like an erotical, I don't know, erotical form sculpture. It's the Coco de Mer. Coco de Mer. There are two coco binded together, and you find it just here. It weighs about 20 kilos, and it lives about 250 years. And this is amazing. So if you're gonna visit Praslin, you really need to visit Vallée de Mai, this ancestral forest, wild forest. That's it.
You could leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Even if you didn't like it, you should leave a like. I mean, I took you with me on this quest here in the jungle. Look at me, how courageous. I'm walking under these trees with 20-kilo Coco de Mer nuts without a helmet. Alright, I'll leave. Bye bye. Tschüss.